Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TheFonoGuy. So the upcoming gaming smartphone is now here in the line, the new Lenovo Legion unboxed on a camera. New teaser reveals dual liner vibration motors. Lenovo gaming phone is set to be announced this month, and with the latest teaser from the company, we learn it will feature a dual haptic motor for a more impressive gaming experience. The Lenovo Legion will use a dual X-axis liner motors, which should add new depth to in-game vibration feedback. So at the same time, Sparrow News offer a short and low resolution video of the Lenovo Legion phone being unboxed. We don't get to see much of the phone itself, so for its back, but we do get a nice look at the phone's cool new packaging. It seems like the larger box as a kit intended for the media, or perhaps a more expensive bundle edition of the Legion phone. The smaller box inside holds the phone, and separating two of the flaps of the box makes for a dramatic unbox experience that you could say mirrors the phone unique from factor and design. The Lenovo Legion smartphone will be announced sometime this month as teased by the company. The phone features a landscape dominant design with a center-placed dual camera and a pop-up selfie module that stick out of the long edge of the phone. The phone will also be powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus overclocked and feature built-in active cooling feature. A 90Hz refresh rate display is the card as well, and rumor have pointed to support for a 90-watt fast charging. There is also a 2 USB-C port and temperature control sensor as well. By the way, the other feature and specification of the upcoming Lenovo Legion is a Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset with the octa-core 2.84 GHz and Adreno 650. They are a two variant, 8 GB and 12 GB of RAM with 128 GB and 512 GB with UFS 3.0 storage. And on the back side, we just see a two cameras. So this is now for rumors, and the pop-up camera is maybe 20 megapixel with recording up to 4K. The battery is rumor says 5000 mAh, and fast charging rumor says 90-watt fast charging. So this is the rumored spec. Let's see in upcoming days which new leaks and rumors suggest that the upcoming Lenovo Legion phone will have. And this phone, by the way, have a 5G fast connectivity as well, and a 6.67-inch big screen. This is all about the rumor says. So let's see in upcoming days, and maybe this smartphone come with a 90Hz refresh rate. That's just a rumor says. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to guys like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video guys. Peace out.